Hey, 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 hey! What's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Nofi here. And for today's video, of course, it's another reaction video, guys. And this one is my very first time to hear. And yeah, thank you so much for requesting this video. And it's someone messaged me that you want please react to this Yusuf Cat Steven Pace Train. It's a very timeless song and it's very timely because of what happened today, what happened for the Russia and the Ukraine. So I am very curious of this song. So it's my first time. I never searched about this song, so I really don't know the lyrics. So we will find out now. So it's a pace train and a live musical. So thank you so much for dropping the link of this video, and mega love shout out to you. And there you go, guys. I am so excited of what's in the video. So join me. Yeah. So without further ado, let's to start in 1, 2, 3. Play.
We're going to do a song. I tell you, this song is really, it's basically,
So it's
made me a lot of money.
a concert.
So it's done.
It's a concert tour.
No, apart from that, I wrote it while I was on a train. Oh God, it really true.
Oh,
And I was,
that's awesome.
I was thinking of Alfred Hitchcock at the time,
She's the one who write the song,
and
and
his
she's the
lovely
one
chin.
who arranges the song.
And if everybody could,
So original by
love
him.
Alfred Hitchcock, I think it would be a better world, don't you?
Yeah, of course. We want a better world. Love. Wow, so nice. He really played guitar nice.
Happy lately, thinking about good things to come.
Oh,
And I believe it could be something good has been.
I familiarize the song. Nice one.
Smiling lately, dreaming about the world as well. And I believe it could be someday it's going to come. 'Cause out on the edge of dark, there rides a peace train. Oh, peace train takes this country. Come take me home again. Now I've been smiling lately, thinking about good things to come. And I believe it could be something good has begun. Oh, peace train sounding loud, ride on the peace
Oh,
train.
nice one.
Come on, peace train. It's peace train, holy road. Everyone jump upon the peace train. Come on, peace train. Now get your bags together. Go, bring your good friends too. 'Cause it's getting nearer. It soon will be with you. Now come and join the live. You know it's not so far from you. And it's getting nearer. Soon it will all be true. Oh, peace train sounding loud. Ride on the peace train. Oh. Come on, peace train. Peace train.
Ooh, love it. Nice one. This is a very old song,
Been crying lately,
and the lyric is
thinking about
very
the
nice.
world as it is. Why must we go on hating? Why can't we live and live? 'Cause out on the edge of darkness, there rides a peace train. A peace train, take this country, come take me home again. A peace train sounding loud, ride on the peace train. Come on, peace train. This peace train, holy road. Everyone, jump on the peace train. Come on, come on, come on. Let's come on, peace train. Hey, this is the peace train. Hey. Oh, oh, oh. Thank you. And good
Wow.
night. I love you. You've been beautiful.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
So this was 1976 and it's a decade past. And I really concentrate on the lyrics. Yeah, and it's very, yeah, what's who sent me the message, this video, who requested this video, it's like timely, it's what's happening now. The lyrics, it's hit. So guys, yeah, for what happening now, we all know that, yes, Ukraine and Russia. So I hope it will stop and we all live peace. Yeah, we all we all need that one, peace and of course harmony. Sorry, peace and peace, not war. And we all need the happiness. So yeah, check the lyrics of the song, guys. You really love it, and it's very deep meaning. And yeah. We all hope, keep praying and just keep on praying for what happening now. It will be, yeah, it will be fine, and it will be, hope it will stop us now. It will stop, and yeah, peace, 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 peace. And that's all we need today as we live. We all want happiness and, yes, of course, peace, of course. And yeah, I'm I don't know how what to say. I'm speechless. I really just in the lyrics of the song, so I it's very catchy for me. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please check it out, the video also, and the lyrics of the song is so nice. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you on my next video, and bye for now. See you next.